Kia ora! On this video, we're going to play and download #WeGotThisNewZealand lockdown challenge. Step 1. Install Goosechase. First, we're going to go to our App Store, available on iOS or Android, and search for Goosechase. Then hit the install button. Step 2. Make a Goosechase account. Once you've downloaded the app, open the Goosechase app and create a new account. You'll get to choose your super secret spy username and your password. Otherwise, you can always sign up to Goosechase by linking in your Facebook account. Step 3. Find the #WeGotThisNewZealand lockdown challenge. Once you've signed up to your Goosechase account, we're going to find the #WeGotThisNZ lockdown challenge game. First, search in the search bar up on the top of your screen. Find it and select a team and join the game. Step 4. Create a team. You'd have to create your team and put in your team name with your access code for other players. Then you can begin the game. Good luck and have fun, keep active and get goosing!